Most drivers do this one tiny thing before refueling, and honestly, they have no idea it's slowly destroying their car's fuel system. It's not about the fuel quality, and it's not about octane either. It's about timing, and getting it wrong could cost you thousands in repairs. Here's the mistake. You pull into the gas station, stop your car, leave it running for the AC or music, then start pumping fuel. But here's what 90% of people don't realize. It's not just about safety, it's also about fuel accuracy and long-term engine health. But let's go one layer deeper because here's the part most mechanics won't tell you. And there's another subtle mistake. People refuel immediately after a long drive. Now, let's talk about another hidden mistake that 9 out of 10 people do without realizing it. They top off their tank after the nozzle clicks. So, remember. Fueling up seems simple, but doing it right can extend your car's life by thousands of miles. So next time you stop at a gas station, remember, the right timing, the right steps, and a little patience can mean smoother performance, better mileage, and no surprise warning lights.